But we ain't stressing anything. It's the purple everything. It's the purple
Blowing up
everything.
his phone, I know I'm tripping for no reason. He gon' call it crazy, but I say I call it.
Hi guys, what's up, Krisha K or babes? We're back with another video, or we're back with our first video in this new timing of 2022, right? So here we have a dirty wig, dirty 40-inch curly, and we're gonna wash that glue out. I know a lot of people have trouble getting the glue out, including me. I tried this TikTok hat and now it has become my life, so I just want to show y'all exactly what's going on. So as you can see here, I'm getting the hair all the way wet, and I'm gonna tell you now, if you have a curly wig, you want to make sure you get that wig all the way wet. Don't just get the ends wet. You'll think that you're getting the whole wig wet and you're not. That's why you see me going in between the curls, making sure I get it so wet so it can just be like flawless. I mean, at the end of the day, I ended up blowing out this hair, but still. So yeah, so here's the products I use. Basically, I mean, I just grabbed shampoo and stuff. It really doesn't matter. And this is the bomb thing. I will put this in the description down below. This is what makes your life even easier. So if you tune in, I'm putting that right on the lace. Putting it right on the leaves, and I'm just smearing it in. I'm making that glue from tacky to like a squishy, if y'all know what I'm saying. I'm sorry that y'all can't see exactly what's going on in my hands, but I'm going to show y'all. This is actually the best damn video. I didn't record it ever because it's so close, like impersonal. So what I'm gonna do is, as you're gonna see me in the video, I'm gonna get a toothbrush. Shimmer and Lights is my shampoo that I'm using, but you don't have to use that. You can use anything, preferably something with some type of oil so it can lift the glue off the lace, but that oil is gonna do that anyway. So I'm gonna put that shampoo on the brush and just scrub like I never scrubbed before. You feel me?
Thought I'd end up with Sean, but it wasn't a match. Wrote 2 songs over Ricky, now I listen and laugh. Even no one's got married.
So now the part that you is not gonna see is me after I do all this. Is take and rinse it off. Is take a towel and just regularly just rub it off how you would any other time. I promise you, it's gonna do the thing, man. Like, it's work miracles. Like, I hope I helped somebody out with this video because it really changed my life. Like, I have 10 wigs that I really need to do, and it's gonna be a breeze because I got this new formula for y'all. So make sure y'all tune in some more, and I'm gonna show y'all the after. Well, it's coming up. Just stay tuned.
Thank you, next, thank you, next. I'm so fucking spend more time with my friends.
So this is the after. As you can see, that lace is clean. Now there is a little bit of glue on the hair, but the lace is clean. Okay, so make sure you comb out the hair. Make sure you get all that glue out, guys, because that's very important. You don't want to, okay, your lace is clean, but you got glue out in your hair. That's not cute. So as you can see, I'm brushing it out. And plus, you know, I blowed it out and I straightened it. So yeah, that's why I had to do all this extra stuff. But I really just wanted to make sure that I got how to clean the wig on camera for you guys, and I did. So you can watch it to the end to see the ending result. Thank you guys for listening. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that great stuff. We got nothing but good content coming, and I'll see you guys later.
Next, thank you, next, thank you, next. I'm so fucking grateful for my ex. Thank you, next, thank you, next. with Sean, but it wasn't a match. Wrote 2 songs over Ricky, now I listen and laugh. Even almost got married, and for Pete I'm so thankful. Wish I could say thank you to Malcolm, cause he was an angel. One taught me love, one taught me patience, and one taught me pain. I'm so amazing, I've loved and I've lost, but that's not what I see. So look what I got, look what you taught me, and for that I say thank you, next, thank you, next, thank you, next. I'm so fucking grateful for my ex. Thank you, next, thank you, next, thank you, next. I'm so fucking spend more time with my friends. I ain't worried about nothing, plus I'm with someone else. We having better discussions. I know they say I move on too fast, but this one gon' last. God forbid something happens, these a song is a smash. I've got so much love, got so much patience. I've learned from the pain, I turned out amazing. I've loved and I've lost, but that's not what I see. Just look what I found, ain't no need for searching, and for that I say thank you, next, thank you, next, thank you, next. I'm so fucking grateful for my ex. Thank you, next, thank you, next, thank you, next. I'm so fucking grateful for my ex. Thank you, next, thank you, next. Oh. Thought I'd end up with Sean, but it wasn't a match. Wrote 2 songs over Ricky, now I listen and laugh. Even almost got married, and for Pete I'm so thankful. Wish I could say thank you to Malcolm, cause he was an angel. One taught me love, one taught me patience, and one taught me pain. I'm so amazing, I've loved and I've lost, but that's not what I see. So look what I got, look what you taught me, and for that I say thank you, next, thank you, next, thank you, next. I'm so fucking grateful for my ex. Thank you, next, thank you, next, thank you, next. I'm so fucking spend more time with my friends. I ain't worried about nothing, plus I'm with someone else. We having better discussions. I know they say I move on too fast, but this one gon' last. God forbid something happens, these a song is a smash. I've got so much love, got so much patience. I've learned from the pain, I turned out amazing. I've loved and I've lost, but that's not what I see. Just look what I found, ain't no need for searching, and for that I say thank you, next, thank you, next, thank you, next. I'm so fucking grateful for my ex. Thank you, next, thank you, next, thank you, next. I'm so fucking grateful for my ex. Thank you, next, thank you, next. with Sean, but it wasn't a match. Wrote 2 songs over Ricky, now I listen and laugh. Even almost got married, and for Pete I'm so thankful. Wish I could say thank you to Malcolm, 'cause he was an angel. One taught me love, one taught me patience, and one